Welcome back to another episode of The Educated Idiot. Today, we're working on Marla Hooch. More specifically, we're installing tube doors on her so she's a little more safer while we're out on the road driving around to and from. This kit that we got is from Valhalla Fabrication in Addison, Illinois, or just outside of Chicago. They're currently the only ones in the world that are making this kit available both in the rear and the front for the WJ chassis. We worked with them earlier in the year with everything we have currently going on across the world. Fabrication was put off to make room for more important things, but these were finally in. We're going to put a link to their Facebook page in the description of this video as well. So we've obviously got the passenger side installed, got the backs and the fronts. Everything is included with this kit. So all your bolts, they even supply you with a nice colored option on your printing for instructions on how to remove the old doors and install the new doors. This vehicle did not come with doors, so obviously we didn't have to remove any of them, but in the instructions it will tell you what is needed, in this case a 10mm and a 13mm, as well as the ability to remove the electrical plugs from the doors themselves. So we're going to switch over to the driver's side. We're going to get those installed now. Quick break from the time lapse to show you how we've got this installed here. No spacers on top hinge, just two straight bolts all the way through. Bottom hinge, we put two of the 1/2-inch washers in there, give it a little bit of uptick in the back. And as we look at it, we're going to see that's going to align much better with the latch than if we had not put any spacers in there. That way we can get this thing to close properly. All right, as you can see, latch is installed. Simply pull up on the trigger and she releases. She shuts nice as well, nice and firm. As you can tell, we had to move the striker out just a little bit, as you would assume from not only a 20-year-old vehicle, but also a vehicle that does not have the intentions of having anything else other than the factory doors on it. It is going to have a little manipulation from time to time in there. As you do with most projects, once you complete a certain step, you have to take it for a test drive. We just got back from the test drive. She runs, she drives, she's a bit loud because she doesn't have a muffler on it. But the doors were solid. Be honest with you, not sure that we could hear them if they rattle or not, simply because, well, there's no muffler on it. But follow us as this thing progresses along. Doors are temporarily installed simply because we want to take them back off. We want to put some primer on it, then we're going to get it painted. Gonna let the wife decide on what color she wants for the doors and the overall Jeep itself. But as this thing progresses, we'll continue to get this thing out there. I appreciate everybody watching. Remember, hit that like button, subscribe to us, and we'll see you on the next one.